Hi, good morning. It's around 4:30 a.m. in the morning, and I am up. My wife has prepared tea for me, and I will freshen up and then start with our trekking. It's 5 a.m. in the morning, and Maggie has been prepared for everyone in the team. We are three people going, so I am ready to proceed. With me is another trekker,
Hi.
Dr. Naveen. So, and we are waiting for Anand sir. So, the third trekker Anand sir is here with his motorcycle. Charan Sparsh.
अरे वाह गुरुवर बहुत सही मैचिंग मैचिंग करेंगे उसके बाद
लगा दीजिए अंदर. So we have started from our house. Anand sir is super excited as always, and we have Naveen sir with us.
hello.
We are in the road to from where the trekking will actually start. That is, I think, around two kilometers more, and the overall distance we have to go in one direction is around 5.5 kilometers.
पूरा भयानक प्यार एक साथ रखे रहती है बैग पैक हो गया था पूरा
बैग तो सुबह पैक किया था,
अंतर रहती है
लेकिन हम
तो वही आप लोग
सेटअप कर लिए
पढ़े हैं उसमें सबसे अच्छा जब सब क्या तैयारी होगा तो हम क्या करेंगे।
अरे अब क्यों तैयारी करके आए कि वहाँ जाके लगेगा भूख हमको पता है।
आप इतना भयानक हमको बोल दिए कि हमको भैया भरो भरो जल्दी भरो भैया भूख लग जाती है। समस्या बस हमारे साथ ये है कि हम नहाने के पहले कुछ खाते नहीं जल्दी। वो पूरा फॉरेस्ट एरिया है, वो पूरा फॉरेस्ट एरिया है ये। हमको लगा हम दिख रहे हैं कहीं।
हाँ, so we are around 30% near to the place where trekking will actually start. So
We still need
just
to start
keep walking.
Yeah.
You must be hearing the sounds of bird chirping. That is the beauty of morning.
हमारा सही कर रहे हैं। नीचे का फोटो लीजिए एक इन सबों का ना। हाँ, इस सब वाली जगह पे तो भाई सही बात है भाई, वो चाहिए ही चाहिए। क्या कहते हैं? हाँ, सेल्फी स्टिक। बहुत बढ़िया। कचरा फसा रख लिया है। कह रहे थे सुबह। हाँ, कह रहे थे। लेकिन यहाँ आप देखिए तो वेराइटीज ऑफ जो बर्ड्स हैं या एनिमल्स हैं उसका वेरिएशन बहुत है। बर्ड्स का अगर वेरिएशन देखेंगे हमारे घर पे बैठी है आप, और फिर अब इतनी चिड़िया हमें इतनी चिड़िया दिखेगी। मतलब आपको मैं अगर सुबह से शाम तक बैठ जाऊँ तो इतनी डिफरेंट काइंड की मैं वैरायटी देख लेता हूँ, मतलब इतनी डिफरेंट काइंड के बर्ड्स देख लेता हूँ ना। यार लगता है कि क्या मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल पार्ट ये है कि द पीपल दोज हु मेड देयर हाउस they just left a free space for playground.
Naveen sir will tell us where have we reached yet. It's around 5:55 a.m.
So almost we have completed 50% of our path. From there, again after 50% of the path covering, we will start our trekking from there only. We'll update you.
We are around 1 kilometer.
No. We have already completed 2 kilometers.
Okay.
And we have to go 500 meters more.
Half kilometer more to the place where we will actually start trekking.
Yeah.
Okay. Anand sir is coming in style, enjoying the trek.
मौसम जब साफ था तो इधर आपको अब हमको एक गड़बड़ एक समझ में आ गई बात कि साला 5 बजे स्टार्ट करना है। ऑब्वियसली आपको क्या है 4-5 में आ जाइए।
Naveen sir is giving us these flowers to smell and refresh ourselves, which he has got from a nearby house. This is a school which is in our way. Protect wildlife, protect. So protect wildlife, protect nature.
कॉर्नर पे है ना, फोटो वो यही तो लिए थे हम लोग।
Due to clouds, the mountains are not visible. You can take rest here if you are tired, and also enjoy the birds and ducks.
जी जरूर। अरे दिन है तो इस मौके पर जब मैं मॉर्निंग वॉक पे आया तो कुछ लोग यहाँ पर पर्यावरण की
So the trek has started finally. Let us enjoy the sound of jingur. I think cockroaches we call it in English. Kind of cockroaches. Yeah. See how beautiful it is. We didn't know that today it is Environment Day, World Environment Day, but luckily to be on this trek today. So see how beautiful it is even in the beginning.
आपका जीन्स खराब हो गया, जीन्स में मिट्टी भर देगा थोड़े दिन तक, रख देगा, उसमें फूल लगा देगा, किनारे पे खड़ा कर देगा।
So we have reached from where we have to start trekking.
So this is the area. Take a 360. And this is the people who are going to start all these things.
People are exercising. People usually come here for driving test and all. Can you see the morning? A very good morning. Anand sir is posing. Yes. An abandoned house, maybe a house in creation as well. Today it is a bit cloudy. Let us continue.
Yes, let's continue. फॉरेस्ट ऑफिसर का है।
So this is the office of the block officer. People are doing yoga, sitting there.
रात को आगे आने वाले टाइम में you will be able to hear बस मुझे इतना ही चाहिए और इसी के ऊपर एक बना दूंगा मैं, वो क्या कहते हैं छत ओपन, समझ रहे हैं? मतलब वो केवल ब्लॉक रहेगा, ऊपर छत रहेगा और चारों तरफ ओपन रहेगा, गोल घर। गोल घर समझ रहे ना, ये नीचे सारा टैंक वाला और ऊपर जाके
Enjoying a lot. Didn't want to say this, but enjoying a lot. If you have read Tao Te Ching, you would have understood my statement. So these are some barbed wires. You have to be aware of them, right? Naveen sir is doing a social service by removing them from the path. Anand sir is also doing a social service by posing in front of camera. So good. Yeah, I could have made this vlog in English, in Hindi as well, but there are some friends in South India who are not well versed with Hindi, so I have to include everyone. That is why I chose English. Oh, see, it's so nice.
And from here onwards,
See, the entire Jammu city is visible from here. How beautiful it is. Excellent. So lucky to be here on this track today.
जिंदगी तो यहाँ है, हम तो चार दीवारी में ढूंढ रहे थे। जीवन तो असली यहाँ है। ये रहा जीवन, वाह जीवन, आहा जीवन।
हाय जीवन, हेलो जीवन।
The view, magnificent. They are saying यही है जीवन, I say ये भी है जीवन. Can you see the beautiful blue skies? You have the sky, you have the earth. What else do you want? So this is a stopping place in the way. Just have a view from here, and so wonderful people are here. This is
White is mithi neem. You just taste it and say this. Kadi patta.
कड़ी पत्ता का जो
This is very
बीज,
good medicine for
Seed of-
controlling the medicine for health. Yeah. Like diabetes control करने के लिए इसका यूज करते हैं.
okay,
Cholesterol.
and so wonderful people whom I have met here today.
Taste it. बीज फेंक दीजिएगा.
So people come here and rest for a while, and then again go ahead for a trek. Have a look at the scenery behind me.
हरि ओम जिंदगी यही जिंदगी थी जिसे हम लोग ढूंढ रहे थे।
कुदवा भी हंसता है। The sun is up. People are up. We are also going up. Hi.
Enjoy.
Anand sir, people want to hear something from you.
सर मतलब एक होती है खुशी,
हाँ।
एक होती है दिल से खुशी
हाँ।
जो निकल के आती है। मतलब इससे आपको पता चलता है कि आप किसी मटेरियलिस्टिक चीजों से खुश नहीं है। आज आपको शायद जिंदगी का वो अनुभव हो रहा है, इस वजह से खुश है।
कमल के ये ज्यादा अनुभव हो जाएगा।
अनुभव है जो अंदर से खुशी कुछ दे रहा है, कुछ तो एनर्जी पैदा कर रहा है। हमें नहीं पता किस तरह से, पर यही वजह है कि हम वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे मनाते हैं। एनवायरनमेंट के साथ, क्लाइमेट के साथ और ये नेचर के साथ हम कहते हैं जुड़े रहिए। शायद वो एनर्जी इसी वजह से आती है। और आप देख सकते हैं एनर्जी दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है, बताने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप फील कर सकते हैं। So what kind of energy we are feeling as of now, just because of this nature only. So I hope on this World Environment Day, this is the best message that I can give to anyone, that plant more tree, attach more with this environment, and feel the happiness.
Great. Great.
जो ड्राइविंग करते हैं वो बेसिकली ऐसे ही करते हैं।
हमको भी चाहिए होगा फॉर माई बाइसिकल राइड्स।
बहुत बढ़िया। ऐसा करेंगे अगले महीने एक और बाइसिकल आ जाए क्या?
आ जाए लेट अस हैव अ ग्रुप,
अरे
साइकिलिंग ग्रुप।
आपको एक बात बताया, मतलब दिल्ली में मैंने बिटवीन की बाइसिकल ली, बहुत पहले मैंने बाइसिकल में बहुत बड़ा साइकिलिस्ट रहा हूँ अपने टाइम पे, एक टाइम पे। तो अभी मेरी वो बनस्पति में मेरी कजिन को दे दिया मैंने वो साइकिल अभी, तो वहाँ पे मेरी सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि मेरे पास ग्रुप नहीं था। स्टिल मैं कम से कम
Sloping area,
हाँ,
you can see here. Sun,
दो का भी ग्रुप बनेगा तो भी
First time
Carry
away
on,
from
carry
the
on.
camera in this track. Camera is this, Naveen sir.
and we are like
And-
on front of camera.
great. You can see here the valley. Again, this side again valley, and we are on the middle of the track here. So we have to go from there to that mountain.
वो तो हमारे पास हमारे जैसे बाइक में लगा हुआ है, अभी चलिए दिखाएंगे। हाँ वही पूरा बाइक में लगा हुआ है, हाँ लगा हुआ है।
So this is the natural beauty of the environment. See here, one uncle ji, he is taking a toothbrush with the complete natural wood. Thank you.
हम नहीं हम ऐसे चलाते साइकिल, समझ गया। वो तो रेसर की वो नहीं अरे यार रेसर, हाँ रेसर थोड़े बनना है,
MTB चाहिए।
हाँ हमको MTB चाहिए ये वाली।
कैमरा टर्न नहीं होता है। ओके, नो इशू।
During
हमारा लीजिए ना, हमारे से लीजिए। अब हमारा कैमरा इधर आगे है महाराज, पहले ध्यान से बस, बाकी कैमरा वैमरा तो होता रहेगा। पता चले गोप्रो आ रहा है उड़ते हुए नीचे तक आ रहा है यार, आराम से और ध्यान से।
Now you can see the view here.
बताइए, मतलब हमारे ऐसा बंदा, मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको, हमारे ऐसा बंदा विद लाइफ वी आर लाइफ। नाउ यू कैन सी
we have reached the first, actually second peak. The first one was so small to call it a peak. This is, we can call the first peak that we have reached. Just have a look around. Now we are going that way down, towards the next peak. Enjoy it. So can you see the navy blue sky behind me and some white clouds? This is the beauty, the beautiful flowers,
कलर देखिए, कलर व्हाट इज द ब्यूटी ऑफ
what we have found out. So nice it is.
कलर, मतलब ब्यूटीफुल नेचर।
Scorching sun, not that much. It is a bit cloudy today near the sun. We are getting down. This is the direction we are proceeding into, exploring the local flora. So moving towards the second peak there. Naveen sir is already there waiting for us to come.
Just behind.
Anand sir is just behind me waiting for the camera. Reach the second peak of our trek. Have a look behind. So beautiful it is. I hope it is visible. Yeah. Just now it's better. Getting down now, it's pretty steep and sometimes difficult. The stones are not very well settled actually. Heading towards the bottom of the hill on the other side. So this is the peak from where we have descended just now. Oh, okay. So
Yes.
that was where we met some people.
And then we came to the the
The
mountain
second
number
goal.
1 beside this that yellow tree,
Mhm.
yellow flower tree.
That
And
one.
then we came here,
Then
This is
here.
second peak.
and
Second peak.
here
Now
we are going
here.
to
Third
climb
peak.
on the third peak.
Well, this peak, third peak. This is a small waterfall here. Goes down there. So right now it is not raining. When it rains, there is water out here.
Person is already posing down for the like.
Yeah. So I'm not making video of this track because the stones are not very well settled here, and we need to really concentrate on how we are walking. Start.
So this is actually the formation of the mountain. You can see that these are the mud actually. They came together, attached with them, and then if you can see there, layer by layer, from smaller to the bigger stones are like how the concretes are stored into the roof, like that only these structures will be framed.
And I'm able to see one other blogger over the top of the over the top, right? Let us meet him. Go there and meet him. Now is a very good place to walk. I think in rainy days this place cannot be walkable.
ये ऊपर नहीं चढ़ा रहा। आप ऊपर से चढ़ेंगे। आपको क्या लगता है? अच्छा वो पीछे ओके ओके उधर चढ़ा।
So the way to there is like this, and then you go like that. Let us go ahead. On the way to that peak where we need to reach, and see, soil erosion has happened, right? How beautiful it is. I think our second last peak, I would say. Is it? Is the second last peak or
No,
third last?
third last.
So this is the third last peak. We have reached here. Posing is going on, and
So in each video, in each photo, you can say like there is one person who.
there we have to reach. That is our next peak where we need to reach, right? Okay. This one. This is the next peak. A small place where water is there present due to rain. Rain water is there.
अभी जो रिसेंट वो हुआ है उसी का है।
अरे वो इंजेक्शन है उसका है, मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको। लस्सी का इंजेक्शन है हमारा 100%।
होगा करके जो है इधर।
हाँ यहाँ स्पास्मो पेल देता है अपना।
और ये फोल्ड कुछ पता नहीं क्या लिखा है।
स्पास्मो कुछ स्पास्मो का होगा उसका कंपोजिशन। बता रहे हैं गुरुवर यहाँ पे सलाह और कहाँ दवाई देने थोड़े सा लेते
We are on the last peak. What is the name of this peak?
We will make it a trio peak.
Trio
So
peak.
we three people are here to conquer this peak. So we'll make this. We'll name this peak as a trio peak.
Trio peak.
Trio peak.
Now it is a very deep jungle, and see there is no sunlight here, right? Very deep it is. I mean, deep for me, I don't know. For other trekkers, how it is. See the sound of nature. So I have to take care while walking. So make the video later. Just see where we have reached now. That is the
ओपन करिए
famous Tavi river, and we are nearing the Nagarota bypass, I guess. We are kind of tired now, and see, we have reached this peak, and can you see the river behind me? That is the Tavi river. This one. Okay.
ये लग रहा है ट्रैकिंग चल रही है.
This is the Tavi river, right? And now we are getting down, and we hope to see
Where we are
some.
going to reach. We don't know where we are going to reach.
We don't know where we are going, and
But we are going.
we have planned to get down on the other side of the hill, and there we will get some
फुल टावर होगा.
auto or something to reach home. Okay. So आनंद सर के जूता में कुछ कांटा चला गया.
अंदर तक पैर के अंदर तक चुभ रहा था.
Okay.
काफी देर तक मैं समझ नहीं पाया कि हुआ क्या है. तो अचानक से मैंने जैसे ही पैर के अंदर बोला, देखा भाई अंदर तो कुछ है नहीं. पता चला ये बाहर से अंदर घुसा हुआ है. और देखिए कितनी मजबूती के साथ अंदर घुसा हुआ है. ये देखिए.
So I think next time I will take some trekking shoes, not this sport shoes, है ना?
एटलीस्ट वुडलैंड.
Woodland का trekking shoes we will need for trekking this area.
अगर आप इस पे चल पाएंगे तो इस पे चल सकते हैं. चलिए. बट नहीं ना है, सामने देखिएगा.
I don't think so. Let us see. So we have to reach there. That is our next place where we want to go. That is some river establishment. We will reach there, and then we will search for some vehicle. Just before reaching there, we will have our breakfast, which my wife has cooked for us, Maggie, and then we will proceed.
And then you think where to go.
Anand sir is still in adventure mode.
We still don't know like where we are going. We are going. This is all about life. Life is all about journey. It's not destination. So see, we are living our life as of now as a part of journey. So once we will reach, it will finish. So we are trying to extend as much as possible so that we can enjoy this journey as much as possible.
एक बहुत अच्छा शेर याद आया है, सुनिएगा.
हाँ.
आनंद सर, एक अच्छा शेर याद आया है. आइए, एक बहुत अच्छा शेर याद आया है इसी बात पे जो आनंद सर बोले. शायद कुमार बाराबंकवी का है, शायद. मेरे राहबर मुझको गुमराह कर दे, सुना है कि मंजिल करीब आ गई है.
वाह.
So we are here. Sometimes we need to use a stick. Just have a look of how steep
हमारा स्टिक उधर है.
the slope is.
देखिएगा.
Look, just have a look at this slope, and we are heading there. There somewhere there. This is the track we are going to find.
अच्छा.
मेंटेन करने के लिए आपको जो है ये देखिए, ये जंगली बेरियां हैं.
मैगी का एक डब्बा खत्म हो चुका है. बना था मैगी.
और जब हम लोग ड्रेन्ड हो रहे थे, पूरी तरह से एनर्जी से ड्रेन्ड हो रहे थे, अब हमारी एनर्जी खत्म हो रही थी, तो उसके बाद हमें मिला भाभी जी का बनाया हुआ मैगी. धन्यवाद भाभी जी, बहुत बढ़िया, इतना शानदार मैगी. वापस 2-4 चढ़ाई चढ़ने के लिए एनर्जाइज कर दिया. थैंक यू सो मच.
बहुत ही सुंदर बना था, स्वादिष्ट, मज़ा आ गया. ये मेरा चम्मच. कॉल बज रहा है.
बजने दीजिए थोड़ा देर.
So we have just finished our first refreshment of Maggi, and having water, and then we will head ahead.
रोनी साइनी का होगा पक्का. देखा.
Just have a look at where we have reached. We are going down from that top, and we need to reach that plane.
बॉटम पे खड़े हैं.
See how we are descending. So deep,
We are coming
so
down,
steep.
down and
So it is also a bit dangerous, right? We need to take care. We need to be attentive while on this track.
उतरिए आराम से.
So we are now near to the plains,
उतरिएगा.
and
उतरिए कर दिया. हाँ.
see the view. It is very cloudy now. No sun.
So one of my partner,
Leading the way.
yeah,
Creating a way.
please keep eye on the track only.
We're about to reach.
See here,
Really very nice.
Purnendu sir, Purnendu Prabhat
Hi.
is busy with capturing the.
So we have reached our destination now.
Not destination, but yeah, near.
Kind of destination,
Yeah,
you can say.
Yeah.
And we are at the kind of plains right now.
So we are at our near to destination, and we have reached.
Now we will go and ask those
Yeah.
people
Another-
where to go, how to find a auto or
Yeah,
something.
how to reach home. Now
How
we
to
need
reach
to check
home.
how to reach home.
Right.
We came this far that we don't know where is our home. So now we need to check how to reach home.
Now
And we are on the way to home now. Yes.
we are not having such much energy so that we can go again from that way
No, no,
only
no.
towards.
After some time, another Maggie packet dabba is there. So after taking that dabba, we can go back to like that station only to the source.
Okay.
But still, we are trying to explore some new things. So that's why we are going by new way. We are trying to find
Okay.
out new.
Thank you, everyone.
I think the people have
Bye.
just
आइए
We are down here.
अभी
Naveen sir is taking photographs.
आइए बताना कैसे अच्छा चलिए उधर चलिए हाँ ठीक है अभी ठीक है
Oh,
आइए आइए चलते हम लोग लेंगे उसको बोलिए स्माइल अभी ले लेगा स्माइल रुक
till now
आधा पहाड़
it was excellent, magnificent.
डिस्ट्रक्शन हो रहा है ताकि
Yes.
आए दिन उत्तरकाशी में जो
So we have reached this government primary school, Khanpur, Nalla. This is in the Nagrota district. Unknowingly we came out of our Jammu district.
ये बढ़िया
Right.
लाइफ टू शॉर्ट टू गो टू स्कूल एम हाई टुगेदर विल फ्लाई लाइफ टू शॉर्ट टू गो टू स्कूल बढ़िया
We are in search of a tea shop where we can refresh ourselves with some tea and have something to eat. We already have some refreshment with us, but tea is not available with us. That is very important for us. Okay.
क्योंकि यहाँ पे बाइक बादल
So we are back on an auto and we are heading towards home. We are fully tired.
Yeah. Finally, we made a circle.
We are about to make a circle.
Yeah, we are about to make a circle around Jammu. So what we started from Rupnagar and going through Nagrota. Now we are moving towards our home. So that's how we are going to create a full circle. Great. Awesome day.
Not a circle but a cycle.
Circle, yeah.
सिंहासन इसी के अंदर रखा है इस साइड में.
अच्छा.
हाँ. हाँ ये
Just reaching our home now. About to reach. बोल दीजिएगा कहाँ मुड़ना है.
यहाँ से दाहिने ले लीजिएगा. राइट. हाँ अंदर. हाँ. यही रोकना है.
बस बस.
हाँ यहीं पे. चलने में मजा आएगा. आया मजा. ये लीजिए. थैंक यू. फाइनली वी केम थैंक यू।
तो
उनको जरा चेंज ले आके दे दें।
हम देते हैं ना। नाउ वी आर बैक होम।